Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to cancel a flight on Jet2. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Jet2 application. Now guys, when you did this, you just need to go and log in and register to this application. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Jet2 videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Jet2 application where we have the inbox in the top left corner, and in the top right corner we have the menu where we have search holidays, search flights, manage my bookings, etc, etc. In the bottom corner we have the bottom tab, we have home, holidays, flights, we have bookings, sign in, and the offers option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel a flight on Jet2. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. First of all guys, you need to go and click on the top right corner and click on menu. And guys, out of all of these options, as you can see, you need to go and click on manage my booking option, which is the third option. When you're there, click on that option, and guys, you just need to go and then click cancel to cancel your flight. So it will of course then be canceled and you won't have it anymore in your flights option. Now of course you can do this when you have a flight that you actually did buy. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys, as always. And guys, as always, I'll be also asking you if you can do us a favor, which and go to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as it really helps us grow this channel. As always guys, and again I'll be saying that I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.